Hello, good day everyone. Magandang araw po sa lahat. So, our topic for today is all about the nature of the roots of quadratic equations by discriminant. No? So, ano ba ang purpose ng discriminant? No? So, the discriminant tells us whether there are two solutions, one solution, or no real solutions or no solutions. Okay? So, the discriminant is the part of quadratic formula. So, I have to give you or to show you what is quadratic formula. So, pag sinabi natin quadratic formula, that is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, ito po yung ating quadratic formula. So, pag sinabi natin discriminant, this is the undernet of the square root symbol. So, when we say square root symbol, ito yung square root symbol natin. So, the discriminant is ito. So, means discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Ito yung ating discriminant. No? So, dito makikita natin yung if there are two solutions, one solutions, or there are no solutions. No? Kasi pag makuha natin ito, no need for us to solve for any quadratic equation since alam naman natin walang solution. Or pwede rin natin gamitin ito for checking. No? So, that is one of the purpose of other purpose of discriminant. No? So, this is the discriminant b squared minus 4ac since this is the undernet of the square root sign or square root symbol. So, kung halimbawa ito ay magiging 0, so ano ba ang magiging resulta or interpretation nito? Pag sinabi natin, ang result natin b squared minus 4ac ay magiging 0, meaning it has a real or and equal roots, or pwede natin sabihin na has only one solution. No? Yun ang ibig sabihin ng ating discriminant. No? Pwede natin sabihin na kung halimbawa hindi magiging 0 yung result natin, pwede natin sabihin that b squared minus 4ac as our discriminant is greater than 0. Halimbawa, mas sobra sa 0 yung result natin dito. No? As our discriminant. So, ano pa ang magiging interpretation natin? Pwede natin sabihin that the roots are real and unequal. No? Pag sinabi mo unequal, hindi magkapareho yung magiging value natin x dito. No? So, meaning, pwede natin sabihin that it has two solutions. No? It has two solutions. Kasi, ang result ng ating discriminant is greater than 0. E, paano kung lesser than 0? Sabihin natin b squared minus 4ac is lesser than 0 or mas mababa sa 0. So, ano ba ang mga values na mas mababa sa 0? Sabihin natin negative 1, gano'n. So, meaning, the roots are imaginary. No? So, meaning, imaginary yung result natin. Pwede natin sabihin that it has no real solutions. No? Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga halimbawa or examples in order for us to determine if the given quadratic equation by discriminant based on the our indicators, no? Yung ating interpretation later on. Okay. So, we will go now on how to characterize the roots of the following quadratic equations using discriminants. No? So, ipakita natin. No? So, discriminants. So, characterize the roots of the following quadratic equation using discriminants. Okay? So, ipapakita natin dito. So, I will give you an example kung paano. No? Let's say we have example number 1. Sabihin natin 6x squared plus 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Suppose that the given is not equal to 0, using the discriminant, ay dapat dito ang mga given quadratic equation before using the discriminant ay dapat nasa standard form. Halimbawa, hindi ito nasa standard form. So, ang gagawin natin is we need to transform that given equation into standard form before we are going to use the discriminant sense, and it is easy for us to determine the value of our A, the value of our B, and the value of our C since it is in a standard form. Halimbawa, katulad nito, yung A natin ay 6. So, hindi madali hanapin ito kapag hindi siya nasa standard form. Pero pag nasa standard form, mas madali nating ma-identify. Let's say this is B. That is 10. So, ibig sabihin yung B natin. So, we have to, I remind you na dapat tandaan natin that the standard form is in the form of bx squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, mas madaling makikita yung mga value ng A, B, and C. So, katulad nito. So, B ito. So, ang C natin ngayon now is negative 1. Okay. And again, we need to use our formula discriminant, which is equals to b squared minus 4ac, which is our b is 10. So, that is 10. Then we have to square that minus. So, minus din tayo dito. Then 4. Constant. 4 palagi yan. Then the value of our a is 6. Then the value of our c is negative 1. Okay? Then 10 times 10 is equal to 100 minus negative 4 times 6, that is negative 24. Then we have negative 1 is equal to 100. Negative 24 times negative 1, that is positive 24. Then our value of b squared minus 4ac is equal to 124. So, the value of our b squared minus 4ac is equals 124. Dapat balikan natin itong ating kudigo or yung ating value, which is titingnan natin kung saan siya nabilong. No? Since that based on the given, the value of our b squared minus 4ac is equals to 124. So, meaning, mas malaki siya sa 0. So, meaning, therefore, this is real number, yung magiging roots natin, and this is unequal. No? This is unequal. So, pag sinabi natin unequal, meaning, it has two solutions, no? Dalawa yung magiging solutions natin dito. Okay? So, base yan sa ating conditions, no? So, suppose that, I will give you another example. Example number 2. Suppose we have 3x squared, okay, minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, again, it is in standard form. Pero kung halimbawa ito ay hindi standard form, so you need to change or transform that into standard form. So, the value of our a now is equals to 3. The value of our b is equals to negative 2. And the value of our c is equals to positive 4. Now, since that the value of our a is equals to 3, b is equals to negative 2, and c is equals to 4, so we simply substitute that into our given formula, which is discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, or then our b is equals to negative 2. Then we have to square that minus 4, which is the constant. So 4 palagi yan, huwag mong gawing 5. Then our a is equals to 3, and our c is equals to 4. Then this will become equals to negative 2 times negative 2, since the exponent tells how many the base to be multiplied by itself. Dalawang bases, so negative 2, that is positive 4, minus 4 times 3 is 12, times 4 is 48. Therefore, this will become equals to 4 minus 48 is positive 44. Applying the combination of integers, then our b squared now minus 4AC is equals to 44. So, since naging 44 ito, titingnan naman natin yung ating result dito. 44, yung negative 44, no? Not positive, no? Negative 44. So, negative 44 dito sa nabilong, no? So, negative 44 is lesser than 0. That makes this statement true, no? So, meaning that it is roots are imaginary. So, if this is roots are imaginary. So, ibig sabihin, simple lang ito. Ibig sabihin ito is no real solutions, no? So, wala siyang solutions. Meaning, if you have to graph this, ito, pag i-graph natin ito, so suppose this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Hindi siya tatama sa x-axis, no? So, makikita natin kasi ito sa graphing. Samantala ito, yung kanina, yung unang example natin, so has two solutions, meaning to say that twice the graph of this given equation touches the x-axis twice, no? Dalawang beses yun siya. So, and has unequal, no? Ibig sabihin, other value. Okay? So, we will go now on the another example. Suppose if we have, let's say, 9x squared, no? So, example, 9x squared minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. No? Okay? So, paano natin isusolve ito? So, 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Okay? So, alamin natin the value of our A is 9, the value of our B is negative 12, and the value of our C is 4. No? A, B, C. Tandaan natin yan. Okay? After that, punta tayo doon sa ating B squared minus 4AC. So, ang B natin is negative 12. So, we have to square that minus. Kasi sinasabi dito, square din. Minus din tayo. Then, 4. Kopyahin lang natin ito. So, A natin is 9. Then, the value of our C is 4. So, this is negative 12 times negative 12 is positive 144. Minus 36 times 4 is 144 also. So, meaning, the value of our B squared minus 4AC is equal to 0. So, since 0 ito, so, titingnan natin yung ating value dito. Wow! Meaning, if your B, sabi dito if your B is equal to 0, real and equal. So, meaning, this is, therefore, the roots are real and equal, or pwede natin sabihin that has one solution. No? One solution. Okay? So, that is on how to characterize the roots of the quadratic equation using discriminant. No? So, ganun lang ang process natin. We are going to determine, and you need to have that condition in order for us to identify the roots or the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation using the discriminant. So, that's all. See you tomorrow for another topic in mathematics. Hope that it can help and this serve as your guide. Bye-bye.
Maraming salamat. At kung ikaw ay interesado ng mga bidyong tulad nito, mangyaring suportahan ang channel na ito sa pamamagitan ng pagpindot ng like, pag-share ng mga video, at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please subscribe sa channel na ito at pindutin ang notification bell at piliin ang all upang maabisuhan ka para sa mga paparating pang mga videos.